Hi, this is Erin from Bridgeville and South Fayette Libraries. Today we're going to look at sorting through your bookshelf and what to keep, donate, and recycle. Let's start with donate. So there are a number of different things that you might consider when donating a book. Sometimes it's going through your to-read list, and if a book's been on there for several years and you have it on your shelf and maybe you just haven't gotten around to it, as is the case with these two books, you might consider giving it to another organization for someone to read. Tastes change over the years, and that's okay. We grow, we experience new things, and what interested us in the past may not at the present. And that's the case with these. You may find that you have run out of room on your bookshelf and you just don't want that book anymore, and that's okay too. I just want to note that the library is not taking donations at the moment, but there are other groups that you could donate to. So I'm going to set these two in the donate pile. You also want to make sure that the books you're donating are in good condition. Which leads us to our next topic. If you're recycling or trashing a book, one thing to definitely look at is the condition of the book. So the book I have here, you can see the spine has come completely unglued. The pages are really yellow and they don't look very nice. Some of them are torn. I have a newer copy of this, which is the one I read. I don't touch this one because it's kind of gross. So if you have maybe books that have been sitting in the attic, they're musty, they're a little moldy, you don't want to touch them. Those are really good candidates for recycling. For the moldy ones, directly put them in the trash. And that's okay to do. It's okay, it's definitely okay to recycle a book, because if you were to donate this, they're not going to put it on the shelf, so it's okay to recycle. And lastly, definitely keep some of your books. I like to keep the ones I'll reread, the ones that are still on my to-read list. So I still have a whole bunch, as you can see, that are on my shelf. So thank you for tuning in and enjoy going through your bookshelf. Have a great day, everyone.